Si Jam kasi yung parang siya yung most cheerful person na nakilala ko. Na kahit ako sa sarili ko, hindi ako naniniwala eh. Pero pag nandyan si Jam sa tabi ko, tapos sobrang warm nung, alam mo yung presence niya pagdating sa akin, na-uplift niya ako kahit sobrang down ko na. Yun. Kaya si Jam na talaga.
Ron, my love, we were in high school when we first met. From the moment I saw you, your humor, kakaibang banat jokes captivated me. It became the reason why I started to like you. I remember the Ondoy days. Tumakas ako kay Daddy.
Sobrang memorable siya kasi pag nag-anniversary yung Ondoy, naalala ko din yung ano namin, yung paano kami nagkakilala talaga.
Hinampas siya ng lola ko sa kalsada kasi nakita kami na magkasama. Pinalo siya ng timba.
Gagi, nag-surfing! Sa'yo na tong tatlo na to. Actually, lahat ng tao, parang pare-pares kami kasi parang ang first impression sa kanya, masungit, mataray, pero di naman eh. Di siya mataray. Talagang kailangan mo lang siyang kilalanin ng buo before. Parang yung first impressions last, hindi ako naniniwala dun kasi sobrang bait niyang tao.
Inasar niya si Ron, ate mo parang ipis naman yung ano, joke. Ang bait pa ni Ron dati, sobrang payat talaga.
Tapos napakahalaga nito kasi ito yung dream event na mangyayari sa buhay namin. Sana maka-inspire kami sa mga audience namin mamaya or sa mga visitors namin mamaya. Most challenging yung nawala yung kapatid niya talaga. Yun yung parang hindi siya diagnosed pero kita mo talaga na parang nagkaroon siya ng severe anxiety.
Joanne, alam ko na nasabi mo dati na baka mapangasawa ko nga si Ron. Ito na yung araw na yon. Ito na yung araw na ikakasal na kami. Sana nandito ka. Sana na-witness mo to. Sana ikaw yung maid of honor ko. Took me almost 5 years of healing. Actually, hanggang ngayon naman, pero yung pinaka-devastated na araw, yung mga 5 years, natulungan niya ako nun.
Kahit ako, muntik na ako sumuko eh, pero nung time na yun, sabi ko, parang pag iniwan ko to, baka lumala lang. Tsaka hindi ko rin mapapanindigan na parang hindi ko siya minahal. Kung ayun na yung pinaka-peak, tapos di ko siya mamahalin, di ba? Yun na yung pinaka-lowest part ng buhay niya, tapos di ko pa siya mamahalin. Sino na lang yung magmamahal sa kanya?
Dumating na yung araw na pinakahihintay mo at pinakahihintay namin.
Yes.
So, you will be entering a new chapter of your life. So, just remember that Mom and Dad will always be by your side no matter what happens. So, congratulations and we love you so much.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love's suicide.
Respeto, tapos wag makalimot sa itaas dahil yan ang gagabay sa inyo.
Kahit saan man kayo.
the greatest fan of your life.
Lahat ng pagsasakripisyo niyo ni tatay, lalo ka na, Nay, hanggang ngayon, na naghihirap ka para sa amin, Nay. Mahal na mahal ka namin, alam mo yan. Kahit di kami expressive, Nay, alam mo, mahal na mahal ka namin. Ha?
As we lie in my bed, you're
My dearest Jom, we've been together for 15 years, and I am so blessed to have you. You changed my perspective on life. You never looked down on me, but instead, you believed in my skills and capabilities that even I didn't believe back then.
with the trappings of love.
I vowed to be the kind of wife that makes you feel to lead every day. And most importantly, sabay tayo mag-grow sa Panginoon. Salamat sa Panginoon dahil binigay niya sa atin ang greatest blessings na ito, ang ating marriage.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life. And I'll be
Love you, Nak. Ganda mo. Love you, Nak.
Wow, you're so pretty today. Thank you.
Hey, I remember it like it was only yesterday. You made me a promise, yeah, you said you'd always stay. Yeah, I gave
You are my best friend, my supportive girlfriend, and my one true love.
we always stayed the same. Look me in the eyes.
A lot of challenges happened, but still, God leads us through. Mas marami pa tayong mararanasang pagsubok, but this day forward is different because God is with us.
Give you the love that I know that you needed. I'll treat you the way you deserve to be treated. Can I say it loud? I will love you till the day that I die. Cross my heart, give you my whole
I vow that I will be a decent provider and a responsible leader. I will not invalidate your feelings. You can tell me anything and I promise to listen. No matter how dark our path becomes in the future, I promise to hold your hand tightly and carry you until we see the light that God has given us.
My best friend, my Excel master, my poging asawa.
wanna stay here. I'll give you the love that I know that you needed. I'll treat you the way you deserve to be treated. Can I say it loud? I will love you till the day that I die. Cross my heart, give you my whole life. And despite all the feelings, I'll be right beside you as long as I'm breathing. Can I say it now? I will love you till the day that I die. Cross my heart, give you my whole life.
Masaya akong nakasama kita sa kalahati ng buhay ko. Pero mas masaya ako ngayong makakasama na kita sa buong buhay.